Hi, I'm Anthony Haynes and I'm the UK Product and Training Manager for ROTHENBERGER. With over 25 years of experience in our industry and 16 of those as a service engineer. In this time, I've learned that reliable, accurate testing tools are the backbone of any successful installation. Today, we're going to have a look at 5 products from our pressure testing range, covering most applications. We have the RP30, the TP25, the RP50, the RP50 Digital, and our electric pressure testing pump, the RP Pro 3. Each of these have been designed to make pressure testing faster, easier and more reliable, whatever the job in front of you. Let's start with our entry-level test pump, the RP30. This is a lightweight, durable option for testing up to 30 bar. It's perfect for smaller systems such as domestic heating and plumbing. The impact-resistant ABS tank makes it strong enough for site use and easy to carry around. It's simple, dependable and compact. Ideal when you need a quick and accurate result without the bulk of a larger test pump, and features a single valve. Now let's look at the TP25. This is also compact. It's a precision test pump capable of handling pressures up to 25 bar, but this features a twin valve system. It's ideal for installers working in smaller or confined spaces, perfect for domestic systems or light commercial applications. It also features the Durament coated steel tank for a long service life. If you need something portable, easy to control and extremely accurate for day-to-day pressure testing, this TP25 is a great place to start. Next, we have the RP50. This is a manual test pump designed for high pressure work, capable of testing up to 60 bar. Like the TP25, it uses ROTHENBERGER's reliable twin valve system, but it also includes a drag indicator. This lets you easily spot any pressure drop in the system, helping to identify leaks quickly and accurately. The steel braided hose prevents expansion under pressure, ensuring your readings stay very consistent, while the same Durament coating steel tank provides a long-term durability. If you require a more accurate reading or a more pinpoint reading, you can change the pressure gauge for a finer scale, up to 16 bar. If you're working on larger heating, plumbing or industrial installations where higher pressures are involved, the RP50 gives you that confidence and accuracy you need. Now let's look at the newest member of the family, the RP50 Digital. This is a manual test pump designed for precise pressure testing up to 30 bar, but this also features an integrated digital measurement and documentation. Like the RP50, it uses ROTHENBERGER's twin valve system for safe, reliable pressure testing, and it also features the Durament coated steel tank for long service life. But what sets the RP50 Digital apart is its built-in digital pressure sensor and wireless connectivity. This allows you to connect to our ROTHENBERGER app and monitor live pressure readings directly on your smartphone or your tablet. Once your test is complete, you can instantly create a digital test report. Accurate, tamper-proof and ready to share with clients or compliance systems. If you're looking for a test pump that combines rugged reliability with modern digital efficiency, the RP50 Digital delivers both, making it the perfect choice for professionals who want accuracy, durability and documentation all in one. For a more in-depth look at the RP50 Digital, please watch our other video. Now let's move on to our RP Pro 3. This is our electric pressure testing pump. This model is all about speed and efficiency. It's self-priming and capable of testing pipe systems up to 40 bar, saving valuable time on site. The compact, robust housing keeps it protected during transport and everyday use, and the glycerine damped pressure gauge helps maintain stable readings even under fluctuating pressure. You can use this with water or oil, and it offers flexible operation, either self-priming or connecting to a pressurized source. If you're carrying out multiple tests in a day or just want to reduce manual effort, the RP Pro 3 is the professional's choice for consistent automated results. One very important point is this appliance is for testing only, not for filling a system from scratch. Using your RP Pro 3 to fill a system will damage or break the appliance. If the system is empty, use another method to fill before pressure testing with your RP Pro 3. So to summarise, the RP30 gives you a lightweight portable solution for domestic systems up to 30 bar. The TP25 is your go-to for compact precision testing up to 25 bar. The RP50 handles heavier duty work and capable up to 60 bar. The newest member of the family, the RP50 Digital, can test up to 30 bar with app connectivity and the ability to produce in-depth test reports. And finally, the RP Pro 3 delivers fast automated testing up to 40 bar. Now let's look at how to perform a pressure test. We have a rig set up here which is connected to our TP25. You need to make sure the bucket has some water, and then you need to shut valve 2. Then ensure valve 1 is open, then begin to pump to the desired testing pressure. You need to make sure the system is vented so there is no air within the system, which can affect the accuracy of the reading. Now we can shut both valves off and take note of the pressure. After some time, we can go back and see if there is any pressure drop in the system. If there's a pressure drop in the system, you'll notice a difference on the pressure gauge. If there's no drop, you're good to go. So, by choosing the right pump for the job, you'll ensure accurate, reliable testing every time, saving you time, effort, and unnecessary callbacks. This brings us to the end of the overview of our 5 pressure test pumps. By following these steps, you'll ensure safe, efficient, reliable performance every time you use any of these units. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you ever need any support or help or servicing, contact ROTHENBERGER or leave a comment below. We'll get back to you. Ciao.